Welcome to my in-depth review of AccountEdge, the popular accounting software tailored for small business owners. In this video, I'll take you through everything you need to know about the platform, from its features and usability to pricing and overall user experience. If you're considering AccountEdge for your bookkeeping and financial management, this review will help you make an informed decision. AccountEdge offers a wide range of features designed to make accounting more straightforward. It includes tools for tracking expenses, managing invoices, reconciling accounts, and generating reports. What sets it apart is its focus on flexibility, with desktop and cloud options that cater to various business needs. Whether you prefer a robust offline experience or the convenience of cloud integration, AccountEdge gives you the best of both worlds. The user interface is intuitive, though it leans more toward users with some accounting knowledge. Setting up your account is relatively easy, with guided walkthroughs for adding your business details, tax rates, and chart of accounts. Once set up, the dashboard provides a clear overview of your finances, including cash flow, overdue invoices, and upcoming bills. One standout feature is its payroll functionality. AccountEdge allows you to manage employee wages, taxes, and benefits seamlessly. This is particularly useful for small businesses that want to handle payroll in-house. It also integrates with third-party services for credit card payments and bank feeds, enhancing its utility for businesses with diverse needs. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Be sure to explore these resources after watching the video for additional insights and tools to enhance your business operations. The software also supports multi-currency transactions, making it an excellent choice for businesses with international clients or suppliers. The reporting tools are detailed, allowing you to generate balance sheets, profit and loss statements, and tax summaries with just a few clicks. However, some users may find the customization options for reports slightly limited compared to other accounting software. In terms of pricing, AccountEdge offers a one-time license fee, which can be a cost-effective solution for businesses that prefer not to commit to ongoing subscription costs. However, additional fees may apply for cloud functionality or payroll tax updates, so it's essential to calculate your total costs before making a decision. While AccountEdge has many strengths, there are a few drawbacks to consider. Its desktop-first approach means that mobile functionality is somewhat limited compared to cloud-native competitors. Additionally, support options are primarily email-based, which may not be ideal for users who prefer real-time assistance. Overall, AccountEdge is a powerful tool for small businesses seeking a comprehensive accounting solution with both desktop and cloud capabilities. Its rich features and flexible pricing make it a competitive option, especially for users with some accounting knowledge. If you found this review helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more honest software reviews and tutorials. Your support helps me create more content to guide you in choosing the best tools for your business. Thanks for watching.